Keto Cheesy Poofs? Is Chester Cheetah gone keto? That's coming up on Low Carb Wild Card. Keto is a great way to eat, but one thing a lot of people miss is snacks. Now, I'm not going to claim that Snack House snacks are clean keto. Both these bags have a long ingredient list. If you want to see what's on them, pause the video and take a look. I've seen Snack House cereal before and I've tried it. It's not bad, but I was unaware that they also had a line of basically cheese puffs with various flavors. I chose to go with the Flaming Hot, just kind of like Frito-Lay, right? And the Jalapeño Cheddar, again, that's kind of emulating something available from Frito-Lay. I'm going to start with the Flaming Hot here. We'll see if it says Flaming Hot. Well, I can't see if it says Flaming Hot as Cheetos because I don't have any Cheetos. I don't want to break my ketosis to try Cheetos out. But I do recall how Cheetos Flaming Hot taste. And these are similar. Now, as far as puffs go, these are definitely a harder consistency than what you would get with a Cheeto puff. In fact, when you bite down on them, the mouthfeel is, the texture is just kind of crunchy, but definitely not the same as a regular old corn puff. These have a little bit of heat to them. The more I eat, the hotter it gets. But what I'm noticing is they're not quite as addictive as Frito-Lay products are. Like if I open up a bag of Frito-Lay puff cheese, I could easily eat half the bag before I put it down. I'm going to go ahead and set this down. I thought maybe from the stiff, almost cardboardy texture that these were out of date, but the expiration says January of 2024, and I'm snacking on these in May of 2023, so that's not it. They're just really kind of hard as far as texture goes. I do notice that the flavoring, I just crunched that one up. Regular Cheetos would leave my fingers red here, and this Flamin' Hot flavoring, it's not doing that at all. But you can kind of tell by, how hard I have to squeeze it and kind of the dryness of this, that it's just not the same texture as your regular old cheesy poof. For my beverage break, I'm going with a clear American cherry limeade. This is Walmart's brand. This is aspartame sweetened. Folks who are sensitive to aspartame probably should not drink this. Okay, now I'm going to open up the Jalapeño Cheddar. Now the other Flamin' Hot one definitely had a cheese flavor to it, and this will too. I tried to cleanse the red hot out of my mouth because jalapeno has its own flavor. Smells kind of like jalapeno. Has the same kind of hard consistency. Definitely not like your regular starch puffs. These protein puffs are definitely drier. Normal cheese puffs are a mixture of starch and fat. This is a mix of protein and fat, and there's just way more protein, 15 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat. I think these just don't have quite enough fat in them. So even though they provide a little crunch, provide a little heat. They're just not quite as satisfying as Chester Cheetah would be. And they smell kind of funny too. Even though I haven't really eaten that much, I'm ready to set this down. This bag's going to last me a while because, frankly, I don't think it's all that addictive compared to most snacks. They do provide a crunch, worthy attempt at emulating junk food. And again, this is not clean keto. This is kind of junk keto. But it should not kick you out of ketosis. Frankly, though, I think I would rather have some other kind of some meat and cheese, and not necessarily milk protein isolate, or however you pronounce that, puffed up in little balls. Anyway, there you go. Not highly recommended. Probably won't buy them again. Snack House Keto Puffs.